Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make watercress juice. We will cover everything from selecting fresh ingredients to enjoying your homemade drink. Watercress is a leafy green known for its peppery flavor and impressive nutritional profile. This vibrant juice is a fantastic way to incorporate more essential vitamins, like vitamin K and vitamin C, and minerals into your daily routine. It is a simple and rewarding process. To begin, gather your ingredients. You will need about 1 large bunch of fresh watercress, which is roughly 4 ounces. Also, have 1 cup of filtered water or coconut water ready to help with blending. For an extra flavor boost, consider adding half a lemon or 1 small green apple. Always start by washing your watercress very thoroughly to remove any dirt or debris. Now, let's blend. Place your clean watercress into a high-speed blender along with your chosen liquid, either 1 cup of filtered water or coconut water. Blend on high for approximately 60 seconds, or until the mixture is completely smooth and vibrant green. Next, pour the blended mixture through a fine mesh sieve or a nut milk bag placed over a bowl. Press firmly to extract every last drop of the nutritious juice. Your fresh watercress juice is now ready to enjoy. For the best flavor and nutrient retention, serve it immediately. You can pour it over ice for a wonderfully refreshing beverage. If you have any leftover juice, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 24 hours. Remember to discard any juice that has been stored for longer than 1 day to ensure quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.